Good afternoon, my viewers and subscribers. That video here is directed to Daddy Gorgan and Guide Over Us Forever. I put out my video yesterday talking about COLAZ and his son's situation. You know, say me and watch and see what going on with COLAZ TV, what them say. Oh, them don't know what going on with him. I wonder if him unalive the youth and all type of foolishness. And I have seen a comment where somebody say why them not seeing the young man. It seems like COLAZ unalive him. And the rest and the comments goes on. So I made my video and I say sometimes parents and children have disagreements, and sometimes they have a little thing going on, and you know, but these things happen between parents. But I was saying that in the video I stated that we as Jamaicans, we put everything out on social media and we give people things to talk about us. And Daddy Gorgan run out and say what he's saying, and Guide Over Us Forever also started passing his place with me. So let me address one right now. I said what I said because as Jamaicans, we tend to come to social media with everything and put it out there. Meanwhile, other nations keep their disagreements to themselves. We don't see it out there like how you see Jamaican disagreement out there. Guide Over Us say I am disrespecting my country. Where in the video me I disrespect my country? Because me I speak the truth about putting out stuff on social media and causing the world to see it? Or we always dragging each other and cussing out each other on social media and talking the worst things about each other? That's disrespecting my country? You can see how low-minded and shallow-minded you and Daddy Gorgan is. That's why I run underneath my page and talk what I talk say. Because you are one of them, you are some of the people them who are spread hate amongst Jamaican people. You are some of them. Yeah. When you look on social media and see how Jamaicans depend there and cuss out each other, it's really bad and sad. Me not see no other nation a behave like we on social media in a real life. Me not see it. So if you see it, you show me. So if me come on social media and me I say, we fi stop that amongst ourselves, where in a that? Me I disrespect my country. Tell me which part in there. You can see how you're done, so you're one of the yamed them. Where the society drag up. When I have no sense and I have no understanding. You understand me? You see, we Jamaicans and we give other nation things to talk about we. Jamaica is a blessed island with blessed people with some great talents. Some of the Jamaicans, they have some gift when I stop here, so. And that make the rest of Caribbean islands, they have a problem with us. Look for instance for athletics, oh God. When we pick people end up on the track around and me put out one video and I need my comments the way oh them a bash with the other Caribbeans, them a bash with. And I say we show off and we hype and with this and with that. These are the reasons why I said what I said. And I give them ammunition for shoot with down. You hear? Because when they see it on social media, I drag one another and I cuss out each other about our own people, it look bad, it look sad. And we Jamaicans are gaslight with own self. And then when other people say things, we hurt and upset. But how we put it out there, how we give them things for drag way and look pan with say, and I say, watch them a fight against each other. Them now have no love for each other. That's why me hear people talk say, we for we one Jamaicans them say, the only good Jamaican is a dead one. I feel we one of Jamaicans them say that. I tell the Russian nation them that. So what are we putting out there about ourselves as Jamaican people? And we are gaslight with own self. So if you're not offended when me say that, and I lie me I tell, and at them something that we need to stop. Daddy Gorgan, you come out and you say 2 people are asked about climax and then ask nothing. Me a go on like say me no want nobody concerned, sir. You and COLAZ used to be okay. I'm quite sure say somebody were in the team. You and them still good. Well, if you want to know about climax, you can ask them when last they see him and how him do or whatever. But no, you have to come on social media and ask about it because you try to drag the man and drag the man name through the mud. Everybody where them and people used to be friends and them not talk no more. Them and them used to be friends. Them and them used to depend on phone and talk. Why it have to end up out in the public for everybody hear what is going on between them, whatever disagreements they have. You can call, you can send a message to the person, you don't have to call them. Shoot them a message and say what you say, I want to argue this or no. You don't have to company media can talk about the things them and cuss about the things them and put it out there because I saw we turn as Jamaicans. We not try to take things pan it down like the rest of people them so that everybody not have to have with business them out there and bash we out there have the worst things if you talk about we out there and we put it out there. So you see if you vex are you offended, you, Daddy Gorgan, are user him forever, whatever you want name, so be it. It's the plain truth. Uno can't beat my truth back down my truth. Uno can't tell me what to talk say. Because me a talk when me see. Me not talk when nobody tell me. Me a talk when me see. Everybody will have eyes can see say and them suck there go on social media amongst the Jamaican people them. TikTok, YouTube, and that's how you take on problem them to whatever disagreements you have with people and that's how you take them because you Daddy Gorgan I look views off of them something there. And you user forever talk about me I look views. Me anywhere me go and talk nothing, me not look no views. When me see views I go up, me surprised because me not go there for look no views because me not know nothing about social media. Me not know nothing about social media like that. So when me see some things and it hurt me and me feel a way about my people them and me say when me I say me not look news and me not look views and me not look cloud because me not know nothing about them the same thing there. Me just speak my truth and I speak how me feel towards my people them and I ask my people them to make changes so that we island can be better and we people them, the people them from the outside world can look upon we as different type of people. We have a disagreement, them not have to know about it. It not have to out on the social media. Keep it amongst ourselves like the rest of them we keep them things amongst themselves. Stop drag one another upon social media and I put out things where people have upon social media every second and I cuss and I carry on the most disgraceful way and give them ammunition for shoot we down. So as me said before, I gaslight we own self. And then we blame other people and say people not like we and people talk things about we. I give them the energy they over we. And that me I talk about so we need to stop. So if you upset and vexed by what me say, so be it. I care less. But me, I go always tell me Jamaican people them the plain truth and facts say stop give people things to talk about we. Because we are one powerful little nation. We little but we talawa. And that people not like about we. We is a God-fearing island and God love we. And no matter what going in Jamaica, we cry read high over the roof. We still is a God-blessed nation. And we don't have the worst crime rate in our world. But everything we highlight about we self. That's why people have all type of things to say about we. And that me I talk about so we need to stop. Me know that hypocrisy we don't know. I go on if you go. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, have a blessed day, and peace and prosperity here.